How I made my first sale online with no money. This is the story of how I was able to start my digital product business without investing any monetary capital. So I'm going to share with you. It's not going to be a long one. I just want to share with you how I went into the business so that in case you have the interest of starting a digital product business, this would serve as an encouragement and something to ginger you. All right. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isyoto, and on this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, without wasting time, we're going to get into the video and talk about my experience about how I made my first sale. Please, before I go on, kindly like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share valuable content like this. So straight away, it's going to be a fast one. Let's talk about how I made my first sale online selling digital product without investing money. So basically what I did is what you see in the steps that you see below here. The first thing I did was to do some research. I did a lot of research, very serious research. It took me a longer time because I was just doing trial and error. I was a new person in the online space. I didn't know anything about the online business. I was just searching for solutions. I was just searching for answers. I had watched a lot of videos on YouTube talking about digital products, and you know what it feels like when you stumble on information that blows your mind and you really want to go into it. So you're going to do some research, which was what I did, to find out what exactly was the problem that people were facing. What problem can I solve? So I found out that people were always asking me questions about businesses and all of that, digital stuffs and all of that. So in my beginner mindset, I decided to create a solution about how to, get customers, how to get customers online. That was what I just created. I didn't even know much about, promoting businesses or doing marketing online. I just did the book and I just did the research and I found out some answers. I decided, okay, the best format to go is to start with an ebook. So I made it an ebook of, let's say, about 8 to 10 pages. Yeah, I'm not too sure now. About 8 to 10 pages. I created the ebook and I hosted it online. I used Seller to host it online. Now, the next step is, before creating the ebook, I had started talking about it on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook, on different platforms. By the way, if you're not following me, go to the link in the description. Check for my links to my social media so that you can see other stuff that I post. So I was talking about it on my social media, and suddenly, all of a sudden, somebody that I knew on my WhatsApp just saw what I posted and I was like, I'm very interested in this and I want to have it. How much is it? I was too scared to put a price on it. As I'm saying this now, I'm just thinking about it and I'm laughing at myself. I was so scared about putting a price on it that I told the person that he can get it for 500 naira. And at the same time, I wanted to see what people thought about my product. So I put the book out there for 500 naira. And luckily enough, the person bought it. And funny enough, that was the only person that bought that week. But that experience gave me an understanding that it is very possible to sell your digital product online. So from that, he bought the product and that gave me confidence to push the product the more. So I kept pushing the product. After a few months, the product started selling because people started seeing more of what I was posting with regards to the product, which is this marketing stage. I've done this since 2021 up till date, and I'm so happy that I took the decision. So these are the steps that I took to make my first sale selling digital products. Now, I believe that you've gotten value from this video, no matter how short it is, and I'm hoping that you would have learned something from this video. If you want to get into digital product business, one of the things I've learned from my experience is to never do it alone, or never try to figure it out by yourself, because that was my mistake when I started. So it took me a longer time to actually find out the secret that works. So the advantage you have now is that you have somebody who has done it before you, who has done it ahead of you, and can lead you and teach you exactly everything you need to do and all of the mistakes you need to avoid. So if you are interested in doing this business, you're interested in learning how you can monetize your knowledge, whether you're a coach, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a business owner, or you just want to be making money online by selling your skills, your knowledge, your experience, then this is something you can do. I have a program that I've created, a step-by-step video that shows you every step you need to follow to start selling your digital product online. Okay? All you need to do to get access to that video is to go to the link in the description. Check for the link in the description to get access to that. It's not free, but it is affordable. All right? So that is all we are going to take for this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.